Grade 6, how are you all? I hope everyone will be fine. Today I am going to teach you conversion of units. Before winter holidays you have done how to change centimeter to millimeter because centimeter is bigger than millimeter. And you remember the rule. What was the rule? When we are going to change from big to small, always we were multiplying. But today we will do reverse of this because we are changing here small to big. So remember the rule, from small to big, whenever we are going to change, we are always dividing. So what rule you have to remember? The first rule is that whenever we are changing from millimeter to centimeter, always you will divide by 10. And millimeter is the 10th part of the centimeter. So only remember this thing. So I have written some examples for you. First of all, the first example is we have 6000 millimeter and you have to change it into centimeter. So the same thing, what you will do, you will take 6000 and divide it by 10 because we want to get the answer in centimeter. And what is the criteria of dividing? Always remember 0 will be cancelled if it is a whole number like 6000. So 0, the last 0 and this 0 will be cancelled and the answer will be 600 centimeter. But sometimes what happened, the last digit is not 0 like this question. This number is 7045 millimeter. How you will change this in centimeter? First of all, I am writing here 7045 divided by 10. So what will be the answer? I am showing you working here. Definitely you have seen sometimes we are saying that we like to write the numbers in decimal. How you can write any number in decimal? Suppose if the number is 25. If I will say to you write this 25 in decimal, how you will write? It's a whole number. You can write it as 25.0. No one can say to you that this is wrong. Similarly, what I will do here, I will write this 7045 in decimal like this. Why I selected this method? Because you have done this whenever we are dividing any decimal by 10. What is happening? Your point is moving to the left side only one digit. Why only one digit? Because 10 is having only one zero. So this point will come here. So what is the final answer? Now it will be 704.5. So this is your answer in decimal and we have changed this in centimeter. Here already decimal is given in the third example. The number is 687.25 millimeter and we have to change this into centimeter. So what I will do, I will write this number in the working and then I will divide it by 10. So what is the criteria of dividing? Again I am telling you, point will move because 10 is having only one zero, so it will move to the left side only one digit. And why I am making arrow here? Arrow is showing the new position of the decimal. So what will be the final answer? It will be 68.725. So this final answer I am writing here for you, 68.725 centimeter. Now look at this number, it is 74.9 millimeters. We have to change it into centimeter. So millimeter to centimeter, remember you have to divide it by 10. So when we are dividing by 10, this point will move towards left side. So answer will be 7.49. So I am writing for here for you. It is in centimeter. Now the next is a whole number, 5 millimeter. So the same criteria, you will write this whole number in decimal like this, 5.0. When you will divide it by 10, what will happen? This point will go and come before 5. So how you will write the answer? It will be 0.50. This 0 only I have written to clarify the place of decimal. If you will not write, you will write only 0.5, that is correct. If you will write 0.5, that is also correct. So 0.5 or 0.50 both are same. So remember 5 millimeter means 0.5 centimeter, or you can say half of centimeter. Because we have done here 10 millimeters. Remember 10 millimeters means it is your 1 centimeter. So similarly, if you are doing half of 10, 5 millimeters, it will be half of 1. And what is the half of 1? 0.5 centimeter. So this is understood by mental calculation. Now look at the next example. It is 6.4 millimeters. We have to okay guys, this is 6.4 millimeter. We have to write this into centimeters. So I will divide 6.4 by 10. Point will go towards left side. So answer will be 0.64. I hope from these examples you understood clearly. I have written the last number the same year which we are having now, 2021 millimeters. So how you will write this in centimeters?